Do you want to import data from various sources into Confluence and create custom table views? See how the Advanced Table Viewer macro makes it possible in just a few steps. Open your Confluence page editor, insert the Advanced Table Viewer macro, and click Connect Data Source. The Select Data Source dialog opens. You can connect to a CSV data source by uploading a file, using a page attachment, pointing to a URL, pasting CSV code directly, or selecting a pre-configured profile. I'll upload a CSV file. The Select Columns field displays the available column names. Click Save. The macro opens in setup mode, a full-screen dialog for better data visibility and a smoother configuration experience. The left panel previews your imported data, and the right panel holds all configuration options. Search and sort are enabled by default. I'll enable column filtering on the item column. This adds a drop-down filter above the table, allowing users to select a specific item and display the rows. To view the total of numeric values, I'll click Edit Column on the total column and set the SumUp type to Sum. This adds a row below the header row displaying the sum for the chosen column. The macro retains these configurations on every page refresh. Save the macro and publish the page. Here's the result: a structured table with a SumUp value for the total column, sortable columns, and a column filter as configured. The full screen view opens as an overlay, letting you focus on data analysis and work more efficiently. Try it today and import data from various sources to create custom table views in Confluence with the intuitive and responsive user interface of the Advanced Table Viewer macro. Thanks for watching.